manager of the Ndendeng-Belabo Conservation Corridor project. We are immensely happy for your support in providing a safe haven for the western lowland gorillas and other migratory species in the Ndendeng-Belabo Conservation Corridor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to say a big thank you to Welland Trust for supporting our Ndendeng Conservation Corridor project.
I'm greatly thankful to Welland Trust's support to our conservation corridor between Ndendeng National Park and Belabo Council Forest in the eastern region of Cameroon.
Hi, thank you for the support of the Ndendeng-Belabo Conservation Corridor project in eastern Cameroon.
I am very, very grateful, elated with the assistance, and I hope that this relationship between you and us continues. Thank you very much.
I want to thank the funders for the project. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.